Hi everyone, my name is Agnes Calera. Welcome to my channel. I am your Las Vegas Realtor and today we are here in Horton's community, the Magnolia Bay. This is located in north of Las Vegas in a nice area, gated community. They all have a park and they have a $56 HOA. And today we are going to tour the 1795 plan. This is a two-story home, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And what you see here in this house is what you get when you purchase the house. Let's go inside. I can't wait to show you what this looks like. So welcome to 1795 plan. Again, by the door, you see this door video doorbell, the smart deadlock bolt. As soon as you come in, immediately you will see this vinyl flooring and the 8-foot ceiling. Right here on your right, this is the stairs going to the second floor. And next to the stairs is your powder room. And over here is your open layout area, living room, your kitchen, and your dining area. This is a very nice space, perfect for entertaining, so bright and inviting. Just so you guys know, everything that you see here pretty much comes with the house when you purchase it. Right in the kitchen, they are featuring a stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator is included when you purchase the house. This is a nice countertops. Lots of space in cabinets. Let's check what's on this double door. This is your pantry. a nice space right here. Plenty of shelvings. When you purchase the house, it comes with the white paint. So what you see here, the colored walls, these are not included. I love that they have great space for the dining area. Very nice. From here, you will see how much space on your open layout. And let's go outside, check your backyard. So this is your outdoor area. Pretty spacious, I guess, from the back of the house to your fence. It's like 18 feet. Normally when you purchase the house, it comes with dirt lot. This is landscape because for staging purposes, but there's plenty of space over here to relax outside, get some fresh air. Okay, let's go back inside and check the rest of the house. Right this side and see what's in here. This is a storage area underneath the stairs. You have your smart box on this side. And this door, this is the garage. There's a two-car garage. Unfortunately, this is locked, so they use it as an office, so I cannot show you guys. So I'm going to show you again your open layout area. See how much space you have. Okay, let's go to the second floor and check the rest of the house. So this is 1795 plan. Starting price is 401,990. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. Right here in the landing area, you see the blow walls. Like what I said, when you get the house, normally it comes with white paint. Before we get to the primary bedroom, I'm going to show you guys the laundry area. So this is the laundry room. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house. They also come with luxury vinyl flooring. They have this shelvings here for your clothes. So I'm going to show you guys the primary bedroom. This is nice spacious room, 2 windows, accent wall is not included, it is an upgrade. They use this for staging. But it's pretty spacious room here. Now let's go check your primary bathroom. It comes with dual vanity, his and hers. This is your stand-up shower on this side. We added this window. And you have your water closet on this side. And this is your walk-in closet here. Nice space. They added 2 recessed lights. Now let's go check the other 3 bedrooms. First bedroom over here. Added a window, your closet, and from here you get the view of the park in this community. Now let's go to the other room. This is another bedroom over here. It's pretty good space. Closet on this side. And then this is your shared bathroom. Stand-up shower. Love the white cabinets. And right here is another bedroom. Closet on this side. I think a full bed will fit on this room. Also added 1 recessed light. So there's plenty of room on the 2nd floor. Again, if you are interested of owning one of the DR Horton's home, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. Normally on your first visit, you need a representation to guide you with the buying process and to negotiate with you with the builder. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video, and thank you for watching.